Hello, good morning. It's almost 10:30 a.m. Now we are here, we're cooking for lunch for our visitor, but they changed their mind. They cannot come in and pass by, so we're still doing it to cook, and we'll show you guys later, what we have that we prepare for you guys. Okay, Dan and your wife. Okay, I thought you guys coming, guys. Akala ko pupunta kayo dito. Namalingki si auntie nyo ng maaga, pero wala kayo. Excuse me. Magtitinola kami ngayon ng chicken with liver. Okay, at saka with coconut. Coconut juice buko with laman ng nyug. Okay? Yun ang gagawin namin. At saka mamaya, luto kami yung binigay niyong malagkit. Gagawa kami ng pichi-piching malagkit mamaya. Okay? So, yun ang serve namin sa pananghalian na namin. It's Miss birthday. Happy Bumbuya. So, also kay Eric. Pero umalis na. Wala ng oras. Hindi na nakatikim. So, ngayon, nandoon yung dalawa sa nagluluto sila ng fried tilapia with breadcrumbs. Okay. Oh no, ako naman ang What's wrong? Oh, hold on.